Yes. Why, pipe lines. Yeah, man. So they are trying to get this sorted out by the church corner section of St. Thomas right now. Trying to get the pipelines and connect. Why this pipe thing is taking a long time. Stopping the road anywhere. You will be hearing from the liaison officer as it relates to what the plans are and what's going on the road. Yes, pipeline still giving problems, still connecting. This is up by Church Corner right now, driving on the road to the roundabout. So shortly you will be hearing from the liaison officer, as I mentioned before. He will explain a few things that's happening and what they're doing. So stick and stay, people. Stick and stay.
Basically what is being done in Church Corner now is that the piping is being started out on both sides, both on the right and on the left of the road. So that is where it is at currently right now, and then from there it will take another phase into the final separation. I just have to allow the technocrats in their field to come and speak on that level or that area when it gets to that point. But for now, I can speak on the plumbing, as far as you can see, most of the plumbing is being done from last week on into this week. And they are moving, even when it is raining, they are still out there working. Even on a Sunday, they are still out there working. So we just have to give God thanks for everything. You know, in everything that we do, we have to put God first and just have faith and have belief, and we know finally we'll get this stretch of road that we wanted. Finally, I waited so long. I just want to say to my dear member of Parliament, Dr. Michelle Charles, she's trying her utmost best to ensure that it is complete. She has gone a million miles to ensure that it is complete this time around. So residents of St. Thomas, I just ask you to beg you, patiently, just continue to just bear with us, but I will ensure that at the end of all of this, you will smile and smile and smile. We not talk about one main fight down there, so they have to go on and rectify it properly.
Okay.
The one below ice factory there, so.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, the pipe that sort out right now, out there, so?
Yeah, and then out at George Center, you see them and try rectify all of that problem coming through.
Alright. So, basically, we are saying, out of Church Corner, the pipe, them don't fix out there, so now?
Most of the laterals, them are putting them correct all of the pipe problem are changed.
Okay.
All of it.
Alright, so.
Then they put it from the other day, and just the flow start to do a better work, they start to cover them things.
Okay.
And if you look out at Dumfries, that water problem that normally was there, we find the culvert that we're going to make a drainage thing. So the water on the road, like that, you don't see the metal thing over the water slips down.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Alright.
So those are the things that we are doing. So we are leave one of that. This one. Yeah. So I agree with the point. You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Alright then.
So,
Thank you.
project car and move forward then.
Yeah, man, it's a move forward, man. It's a move forward, man. You see, one of the main things, was to find that drainage out of the so
Yeah. I was there with them Sunday now.
You was out there Sunday?
Yeah, we waited. Yeah, man, I'm saying everything we are going. Yeah.
Alright.
But
yeah, man,
you have our next drain system out by don't forget the bus shed. When it's Scarborough, supposed to be right at the bus shed.
Yes, I can deal with you, man.
Yeah.
It's refine already,
Yes.
Refine the one up on top and refine the one in the middle.
Alright.